Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much just going to be going over prices for you guys, because I get a lot of questions on how I price my items and things like that. Okay, so excuse me. So first off, let's search the chip bag. If you guys don't know Etsy, Etsy is a great place for people that sit and pretty much make things and you want to sell it. Get you an Etsy shop that you can pay for your advertising. They advertise for you. It's a great place to sell your products. So let's look up chip bag, for example, because a lot of you ask how do you sell, you know, what's the prices on the chip bag, what's up with that, how much should I put my prices at. Okay, so I see a lot of the digital files starting at, this is 10 for a PDF file. This one is 8 for a file. That's 8 also. Oh, that's mine. Mine is 6. I charge 6. This one is $4. So, I mean, it really just depends on you and what you want to charge, honestly. Okay, they got 25. So let's see what the 25 is and what comes with that. Okay, so to get an idea, okay, this is for 8 filled chip bags. For 8 filled chip bags, the price is $25 plus shipping. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, that is so cute. What is that? All right, we getting. That's cute though. All right, let's go. Let's look at something else. Okay, this one is 30. Let's see what they're charging $30 for. Okay, you get 12 filled chip bags. Okay, so like I said, it all depends. Also, it depends on if you are printing at home or if you are going to Staples or somewhere like that and paying for printing. My husband was just trying to talk to me, y'all. I don't know what he's saying, but it depends on those things. Your cost. Everything is different in different states, so also got to take that into consideration. So let's do labels. I don't know who all got labels. I'm just okay. Labels, as you can see, 5.50, 8, 10. Honestly, you can charge whatever you want to charge. Honestly, that's just being all the way honest. I myself, I don't ship out labels at all. I just give the PDF files. That's pretty much all I do. I think some of these shops probably belong to y'all too. I think they do. But anywho, coloring books. I charge the same thing for the chip bags as I do the coloring books. So if they want like the download is the same. If they want the coloring books without the crayons, then it's pretty much like ordering a empty chip bag. If they want the coloring book with the crayons, then it's like ordering the chip bags with the chip. I charge the same, you know, they're pretty much the same. For my labels, my downloads, any type of instant download, I only charge $4 for, no matter what it is. It's the instant download, no matter how many pages might come with it. It's always just $4 flat out. But as you see, some people charge $2 to download, $8, $10. It's people gonna buy what they want, so you can charge whatever you want, honestly. If you guys are doing the hair bows, or if you have done the hair bows, I'm gonna tell you the hair bows do sell. So if you want to get into that, definitely get into the hair bow market. Let's see, foam. What are they called? Foam bows. Let's look at those. Yeah, here's the foam bows. Some of them, this is what they're priced at. This is what it's looking like. There were a few shops that I looked at before I put mine up here that have pretty much are surviving solely on the bows. So it is possible to be just an all bow shop if that's something that you want to do. Etsy is a good place. If y'all don't know about Etsy, please join Etsy. This is a great place for you to reach more people and sell your products. Oh, that's cute. And yeah, I always recommend Etsy. Okay, now I will say this. Advertising. I know in my last video when I spoke to you guys about advertising, and I said that advertising is great, and for me it seemed like they paid 3 times, well, they made you 3 times whatever your daily cost was. Like, I started off slow. I started off at like $3 a day, and I made 3 times that amount. So $3 a day was like 3 times 30 was like 90. Well, fees and everything, it cost me about $100 a month. But I made 3 times that amount. And so all the way to the point where I raised it up to 10. I'm at $10. And I make 3 times that amount to where I raised it. I recently raised it. You guys, my husband was like you can raise it all the way to $200. But like I told him, that is just ridiculous, and that's too much. I would need employees. I would need like a full shop. You know what I'm saying? And I don't got that time. I do school. I still manage, the kids, the home, all of that. That's a lot for me. So I raised it to 25, which was a lot. I raised it to 25 for 2 weeks just to see if they made me 3 times that amount still. Now, I did not make 3 times that amount. I only made 2 times that amount. I only made double, which was not good enough for me. So I went right back on down to where I'm at right now. And it was like, it was crazy. Like, it was so much going on. It was so much going on because right now on the normal, I probably get like 4 orders a day. It averages out to about 4 orders a day. So imagine I like doubled that. Like, it was crazy, and it just didn't seem like it was worth it to me. Like, just for double, I don't know. Anywho, I went back down. But Etsy does make you your money. Etsy is a great place. If you try to advertise in, you can start off slow, $2, $3 a day. Just to see what's gonna happen. Shoot, don't be scared, try it. Shoot. I think that's enough talking. Shoot. I'm starting to feel weird talking to myself now. Yeah, but if y'all got any more questions, I think I answered pretty much everything about prices, because that's pretty much all y'all asked me about is the chip bags and the labels, how to price those. Yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon in the next videos. I got some videos with the silhouette. I'm bringing my machine back out. Those videos are coming next, so look for those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.